Hi, my name is Xaviera, and I am the CEO and owner of a fantastic media outlet known as Ice Cream Conversations. I am very excited to announce the release of my new course, The Scoop on Blogging. I created this course to be everything I needed to know when I began blogging almost a decade ago. This course is a treasure for beginner bloggers, as well as a major key for experienced bloggers. The Scoop on Blogging course covers types of bloggers, the most profitable blogging topics, choosing the right name for your site, purchasing your domain, the best hosting companies, the easiest way to set up your new website, must-have plugins, how to write a killer blog post, ways to increase traffic to your blog, how to finesse Facebook, search engine optimization, how to monetize your blog, and additional ways to make money as a blogger. Last but certainly not least, the 10 blogger commandments. The Scoop on Blogging course consists of lectures, instructional videos, and more for you to utilize at your very own pace. At the end of the lecture, you can ask any additional questions that you may have, and I will be more than happy to answer them. The Scoop on Blogging course is $149, but the first 25 people to purchase the course using the code SCOOP will receive 40% off the original price. If I can go from making 2 cents to $55,000 my first year as a professional blogger, you can too. The purpose of the Scoop on Blogging course is to help you reach and exceed your online goals. Thank you, and I wish you the very best.